everyone, my name is Atuldeep Yadav and I'm a final year mechanical engineering student at ZHCT MU. So today we'll see how to make this part using SolidWorks, and in SolidWorks we'll be using the sweep command. So let's check how to do it. So first we'll open a new part in SolidWorks, then we'll select a plane. Here I'm selecting the front plane. Okay. So you can select any plane as you wish. So now going back to the sketch, we'll look how the profile looks like. So here we have a straight line of 150 minus 50, that is 100 mm straight line. Then we have we have an arc of radius 260. So this is a 90-degree arc, and then we have again a straight line of 150 minus 50, that is 100 mm. So let's make this path first. So we'll select a straight line, and in reference to the origin, this is the origin, we'll make 100 mm. First we'll make a rough sketch, then we'll dimension it later on. We have this arc and we have a straight line then. Okay, so this is the rough sketch. Now dimensioning it, this is 100 mm, and this is also 100 mm. Now since we are having a 90-degree arc, so we'll dimension it in this way, 260. And 260. So this is our arc. Okay, like if you select it for dimensioning, we can see that it is, I'm not selecting it because it will be overdriven. So as you can see, the sketch is fully defined. So now let's make the profile. Going back to the sketch, we'll see how the profile looks like. So what we have here is outer diameter of 290 and inner diameter of 210. So let's check how to make this profile. I'm selecting here a reference because we need to make a plane here at this place, at this point. So selecting this point, so we need one more reference, that is the plane reference to complete this plane. So we'll select a top plane, and our reference is fully defined, as you can see. Now we'll make the sketch. As we remember, it was 210 for inner dia, 210, and for outer dia it was 290. Okay, so it is done. We can exit the sketch. Now going back to swap boss. So what we actually require here is, as you can see, one profile, that is this profile that we have made in the sketch 2, and the path that we made in sketch 1. So let's select the profile first. So this is our profile and this is our path. So as you can see, we can get a rough idea of what we are going to get. Selecting OK, and this is done. And now the leftovers are this a face of 50 mm and face of 50 mm, so that you can make yourself. I hope the video is clear. Thank you.